Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Bad Car Symptoms. In this video we'll show you some common signs of a bad starter problem. This problem is sometimes hard to recognize and is often mistaken for a bad battery. This video should help you avoid that. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Clicking sound. The first and most common bad starter symptom is a clicking sound when you turn the ignition key. So there is only a click but no crank, accompanied with the dashboard lights going a bit dim. The usual reason for this is the starter solenoid. No cranking whatsoever. The next symptom of a bad starter is that when you turn the ignition key, absolutely nothing happens. If you watch more carefully, at the same time, you'll see the dashboard lights go slightly dim. It will be barely noticeable. This is the symptom that is mainly to blame when people think that they have a flat battery and replace it for nothing. In this case, if the starter can be approached, it's worth trying to tap it, since the most common reason for this problem are worn out brushes. Also, check the connections to the starter, especially the smaller cable coming from the ignition. Slow cranking. In this case, the starter cranks but very slowly. Again, this is one more symptom that leads people to buying a new battery for nothing. The usual problem for this are the bronze bushings on the starter, be it the front or the rear one. Also, in this case, check the main ground connections on your car. A whizzing sound. This is a more rare symptom of a bad starter. You may hear a whizzing sound when you try to crank. You will not hear the engine cranking, you will just hear the whizzing sound. This is in most cases due to a faulty drive pinion on the starter, which is better known as the Bendix. A screech sound. For the last bad starter symptom, which perhaps frightens drivers the most, and that is a scary screeching sound when you try to crank. The sound is like metal scratching against metal, which can also be combined with a grinding sound. If the gears on the flywheel are bad or the gears on the Bendix are bad, then this will be the usual cause. What we've shown you in this video are some of the most common bad starter symptoms. The reasons for this that we've stated are the most common ones. They don't necessarily have to be the reason, or there can be a combination of several reasons for the problem. Whatever the case may be, react as soon as possible. Don't hurry and buy a new battery, that's for sure. First make an inspection and see what's the problem. Know also that postponing the problem can easily leave you with a car which you then have to tow, push to start, and you may have other problems. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.